Every iPhone 17 Pro Max begins here, deep in the earth, where titanium sleeps.
50 tons per load, the journey from ore to innovation begins with raw power.
300 tons move as one, destined for the refineries that birth precision. Inside these walls, earth becomes element, titanium pure enough for Apple's vision.
Gravity delivers the raw. The crushers await their first bite. 10,000 tons of pressure reduce mountains to pathways of potential.
Every meter traveled is a step closer to the device that will change lives.
Magnets judge truth from impurity. Only the worthy continue.
Chemistry transforms rock to vapor. The titanium breathes its first purified breath. Purity isn't a goal. It's the only acceptable outcome.
Fire meets metal, and from the crucible emerges titanium reborn. The sponge may look rough, but within it lies the soul of precision. Electron fire purifies what chemistry began, atom by atom, perfection.
Precision wrapped in protection. The journey to Cupertino's partners begins.
From ground to sky, the titanium must fly.
"40,000 feet will carry Apple's future across the ocean."
Above the clouds, precision travels in silence and cold.
Touchdown in the factory heartland of modern manufacturing.
Shanghai 地面，金花型。
Borders crossed with bites and seals. Innovation waits for no one.
The convoy enters the city that builds tomorrow's technology.
Beyond these gates, raw material becomes revolution.
The titanium has arrived at the Temple of Assembly.
Robots escort titanium's final mile to transformation.
The floor where metal meets microscopic precision.
Unwrapped and ready, the orange titanium meets its destiny.
To cut that begins the transformation from sheet to smartphone sole.
Where microns matter more than millimeters, perfection is measured in atoms.
40,000 vibrations per second purge what eyes cannot see.
Water purer than nature provides, washes away the invisible.
500 feet per minute of pure air erases every droplet's trace.
Artificial eyes judge cleanliness at microscopic scale. Zero tolerance for imperfection.
Plasma fire awakens the surface, invisible bonds preparing to grip with molecular strength.
Glass and pixels, fragile yet mighty, await their marriage to titanium strength.
United in pressure and chemistry, frame and face become one inseparable form.
Bond quality approved, proceeding to integration.
Inspected and approved, the shell now awaits the intelligence that brings it alive.
8 billion transistors on silicon await their home inside orange titanium walls.
Shielded and thermally prepared, the frame becomes a sanctuary for silicon intelligence. The brain finds its skull, silicon consciousness merging with titanium strength.
0.15 Newton meters, 8 times, the exact force that bonds logic to structure.
Camera module secured, flex routing verified.
Vision systems installed, 3 lenses now peer through Orange Titanium's precisely machined windows.
All camera systems functional, proceeding to battery installation.
Connected and confirmed, the eyes open and see clearly for the first time.
4,685 milliamp hours, the electrical heart ready to beat. Power source bonded to titanium, the electrical heart finds its rib cage.
Power connected, system in standby, all voltage rails nominal.
First power flows through silicon veins. The device draws its first electrical breath.
The touch of feeling installed, titanium will soon pulse with haptic life.
Testing 1, 2, 2, 3.
Voice and music pathways installed, titanium will soon sing and listen in stereo clarity.
Invisible waves will flow through these copper paths, connecting orange titanium to the world.
Internal assembly complete. All components installed and connected. Proceeding to closure. Panel stress pattern normal. Logo etching verified. Adhesive gasket positioned correctly.
Glass bearing the mark of Apple, ready to seal intelligence within orange titanium walls.
Alignment verified. Closure initiated. Proceeding to pressure bonding.
Glass meets titanium. 2 materials unite, creating sealed sanctuary for silicon intelligence.
200 newtons of pressure create the seal that defies water and dust forever.
Unit pass seal inspection. IP68 integrity confirmed.
8.5 minutes of digital DNA injection. iOS 20 flowing into orange titanium vessel.
First boot successful, all systems initialized, device ready for functional testing.
42 seconds.
127 tests in 4 minutes. Every promise verified. Every function confirmed perfect. The box designed as carefully as its contents. Every detail orchestrating the perfect first impression.
Device placed, serial verified, packaging complete, ready for lid closure.
Orange titanium finds its throne in...
Lid meets base, the seal of anticipation. Inside waits the future someone will soon hold.
Sealed in clarity, the pull tab promises effortless revelation of orange titanium treasure within.
10 futures packed together, bound for 10 different lives across the world.
Master carton sealed and labeled, ready for palletizing and distribution. Phase 6 transformation complete.
Sealed, labeled, and
60 cartons per minute, stacked with robotic perfection. Human hands never touching premium cargo. 8 layers at base, 12 around cargo. Algorithmic wrapping pattern secures $390,000.
16 cameras and billion-parameter neural networks judge quality faster than human blinks.
40 meters high, 200 meters deep. The robot warehouse never sleeps or forgets a location. 2 meters per second vertical, 45 meters high. Cargo worth hundreds of thousands ascending into digital memory. Position C824 confirmed, logged, and retrievable in 90 seconds on demand. 14,000 pallets tracked in real time. Artificial intelligence orchestrating supply chain symphony. 90 seconds from storage command to shipping dock. Automated retrieval faster than walking the distance. 200 vehicles flowing like orange blood cells through factory arteries. No human drivers needed. 500 robots dancing with shelves, bringing warehouse to workers instead of workers to warehouse.
99.94% accuracy. AI eyes catching invisible flaws that human inspectors miss.
15,000 sensors whispering equipment secrets. AI predicting tomorrow's failures, today enabling prevention.
Every atom's journey cryptographically sealed in distributed ledger. Trust through mathematics, not paper trails.
Replacement proceeding.
450 cobots alongside 35,000 humans.
Partnership more powerful than either alone. 4.5 hours conditioning lithium, teaching battery to deliver years of reliable power through chemistry optimization. Frame finish excellent, display perfect, rear glass flawless, camera lenses pristine, functionality confirmed, cosmetic and functional quality approved for packaging.
Post-calibration verification complete. All systems operating harmoniously. Device certified for custom.
Protective preparation complete. Device retail ready. Proceeding to packaging.
Wrapped in protective.
$156 million staged and ready. Orange Titanium Army awaiting deployment orders to 7 continents. Container MF unsealed, loaded and sealed. Container MSCU-4 staged and Blafet seeing 2. 40 meters high crane swing. Orange titanium descending into steel hull for 14-day ocean crossing to European shores. 19,000 kilometers across 3 oceans. Orange titanium cargo sailing patient journey while customers await impatiently.
14 days and 19,000 kilometers, Orange titanium reaches European gateway for final distribution sprint to retail.
Container MS.
Inbound shipment received and inspected. 2,000 units added to available inventory. Fulfillment team notified. Retail store orders can now be processed.
Champs-Élysées Fortress prepared. Orange titanium on display under perfect light, awaiting customers who've waited months for this moment.
10 a.m. Paris, doors open, releasing wave of customers toward orange titanium displays, beginning ownership dreams months in anticipation.
And the 5x telephoto zoom is incredible.
Oh wow, the orange color is even better in person.
Excellent.
I'll take this one.
Excellent choice.
Would you like AppleCare Plus protection?
Here's your iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange titanium. AppleCare Plus is active. Enjoy your new device.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Okay, well, finally time to my new iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange titanium. Titanium.
Oh wow, praise the Lord. The orange titanium looks incredible. Finna seal the fitting with it.
And this is how modern factories produce iPhone 17 Pro Max titanium from start to finish.